Hey everyone, welcome back. If your Windows 11 laptop drains battery too fast, or you want to boost performance for gaming or heavy tasks, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to change your power mode in Windows 11. Windows 11 to get the best performance, battery life, or a perfect balance between the two. It's super simple, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to fully optimize your system's power plan in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, let's access the power options. Click on the search icon in your taskbar and type Control Panel. Once it appears, open it. Now, on the top right, make sure the View By option is set to large icons. This makes all the settings easier to find. Next, click on Power Options. Here, you'll see a few power plans, and this is where the magic happens. Balanced. This is the default mode. It offers a good mix between performance and energy efficiency. Perfect for everyday use. Power Saver. This mode reduces performance slightly to extend your battery life. Your laptop might feel a bit slower, but it'll last longer unplugged. High Performance. If you want maximum speed and responsiveness, especially for gaming, editing, or multitasking, choose this one. But keep in mind, it will drain your battery faster. Just click the plan you prefer and Windows will switch instantly. And that's it. You've just learned how to change and customize power modes in Windows 11 like a pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss more quick tech tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.